Okay, this is the inside of the dishwasher. I'm trying to clean it all out here. You can see there's a lot of gunk. I already took a whole bunch out. And then we tried to take this filter and run some water through this hole here and some vinegar. And this is the unit, the strainer unit, and it's pretty well blocked. No water will get through here, so I'm going to try to get it open. If not, this part, it's an assembly, and part number on this unit is, let's see what we got here. That's 9742968 for the Maytag dishwasher, and I can get the model number posted, but these screens get all clogged up, and you can try to back flush them, but there's a lot of calcium deposits. So anyway, one other thing is I wanted to point out this unit goes on top of here, and there's a screw that goes in here, and then you have your four screws that go in first, of course, to put this back on. And seen a lot of videos where it's you know, I haven't seen anything so about this one in particular. That goes on, your screw goes on, and then of course that other assembly that it, you know, there's hundreds of other videos. Okay, so this is a sealed unit. It's obsolete for this model. There is another alternative which apparently Sears Direct might have, or Parts Direct, and on this part actually connects onto here, and there's a check valve, little mini check valve that goes back onto the other side here. So make sure you put that back in, these little check valves. That's smaller than the ones that are actually in the dishwasher. So got a lot of debris out of there, and also took the little tippity tap real lightly around the sides of this to loosen up all the buildup. So just been shaking this around and got hot water running through it right now, and I think getting a lot of debris out of there, so I'm going to try that first and see what happens.